To make an espresso martini, you will need 45 ml of vodka, 30 ml of espresso or a good cold brew concentrate, 20 ml of coffee liqueur, about 10 ml of vanilla syrup, but if you are using a sweeter coffee liqueur, then you can probably knock it back a bit. Lemon twist, which is optional, and 3 coffee beans to garnish. You'll also need a jigger, shaker tins, a hawthorn strainer, a fine strainer, and a coupe or martini glass. For the vodka, you can definitely have a little bit of fun. Lots of brands like Absolute and Sky have flavour vodkas you could use. Obviously something like vanilla is always going to work well. We're going to go 45 ml of our vodka, 20 ml of coffee liqueur. Mr. Black do roast their own coffee, and this has about half the sugar and 10 times the coffee of your average coffee liqueur. 30 ml of our freshly pulled espresso, or whichever substitute you're using. I like to add a small amount of vanilla syrup as I feel it helps to boost the body of the drink, and the vanilla marries all of the other flavours really nicely. Fill your shaker tin with ice. Seal the tins and shake as hard as you can, but also not for too long because you want to create a nice fluffy head. Short and sharp shake is important. Use your hawthorn strainer to hold the ice back in the tin and pour it through the fine strainer into your chilled glass. You definitely want to fine strain this one, as otherwise the little ice chips will melt and ruin the head quicker. Then we're just going to do the little lemon zest over the top, and then drop in your 3 beans for health, wealth and happiness. The espresso martini. So now you know.